So yesterday we discussed about the splash screen login, splash screen and animation, right? So today on that we will concentrate on that next level. So that is like how to manage the session. So that we will concentrate. So for that, here now, just I open this project. So in this purpose, like I want to maintain the session for this. So to maintain a session, first of all, like whatever the login data. So what we are doing that login data. So that login data we have to save. So how to save that login data? That now first we will concentrate on here. So first of all, we used to save that login data here. So to save that login data, we will use the concept called shared preferences. So that is a concept we will use here. So that is a shared preferences concept we will use. So first in a login, where we are logging. So on this place, we can go and we can write this dashboard is currently not required. Animation also, things also. So currently this interface is also not required. This response. It's the response. So here, this is the login right here. In this login now, so here we are getting the success response, right? So here, along with this, while we are moving to the next page, here we has to save the data into the shared preferences. So the shared preferences will help to save and transfer the data. Like once we save the data into here now, this can be accessible by the entire project. So that we can access in entire project. So that here we have to do. So for that here now, I'm declaring the var shared preferences. So I'm declaring the shared preferences. So based on the shared preferences, now we will write that. So var shared preferences equal to shared preferences of shared preferences. So here, not this one. So here get shared preferences. We have to get the shared preferences. So that is a get shared preferences. Yes, that it. So get shared preferences, right? So for this shared preferences, what is getting here? We have to write this. Like here, I have to write something called catchy. So I want to use that catchy data. So that I want to use right here for this mode. Next could be mode here. We have to give that mode as a private. The mode private. Done. So now here we want to add the data. So here we are adding the data to the shared preferences. So for that here, var editor. So to add the data here, we require an editor. So var editor equal to, so that is above whatever we created that shared preferences dot edit. So we are editing this data. So in this editor, now we will add the data. Editor dot put string. So here put string. I'm sending in string. So this is the key, comma value. So key comma value, we are sending it this like this, right? So you are understandable. Just I'm commenting this. Then here now, that is the editor dot put string. Key could be first one is the name. I'm taking the name. The next one is the whatever the value here. Already we are saving that in a username, right? So that user, sorry, email, right? Email. So this is the email. So I'm taking an email. Next here, editor dot put string. So next one is the password. So both I'm saving here in this. So that is the user password, right? User password. So I have taken both here. Then here now I'll write that editor dot commit. Done. So the data saving has done here. Right. Now this data. So now this data we will get on next page. So on the next page we will get this data. We will see there how this data is saving or not. Then after that we can go and we can add that. So for to get the data, so to check the data here in a dashboard page, here I'm declaring the same like statement this dot this. So here to get the data, this editor is not required. So I'm removing that. Then here var s1 equal to, so the statement is dot. So this statement is whatever the statement is we are creating, right? Statement is dot get string. So we want to get the string. So what is the string we are getting here? This is the string. Whatever the string we are adding there. So that string we have to get here. So the second could be here null. So no need to write anything. Null, right? Then here var s2 equal to, so that is the shade preferences dot get string. So here this we will write like so. This could be here null. Done. So here now this is not required. Now here I'll write one toast to check this data is coming or not. Toast make text this at the rate my dashboard. So here s1 plus s2. So toast dot length long dot dot. Now I'm running this. Just once it is launched, we will see here. So meanwhile, I'll open the visor. I think visor has closed. Just a minute, it's taking a little bit time. See, now it is launching here. So here's something like we created a mail ID, right? That is one, two, three, four. It's a password. I think this we registered already. Login successful. See now here, we got the data here, right? Means the statement says data is here, right? Now what I have to do here is I want to maintain the session for this. So how to maintain the session? So to maintain this session now, so first I'll go to the splash screen. So in a splash screen, I'll write the condition. So what is the condition here? So whatever the statement says data here I'm getting. So if the data is there in a shared preferences, then I can go to the login page. Dashboard page. Otherwise, I'll come to this. So here now I'm writing here. So this is the shape is whatever the code we've written there. So that I copied here. If S1 is S1 I'm checking here. S1 is null or blank. In case so the S1 data is blank. Data is not there. So then I'll execute one thing. So that from here, if it is null or blank, then I can go to the my dashboard page, right? My dashboard page. In case if the data is here, then else here we have to write else, right? Else it comes to the next one here. We have to add here this. Here it should come to the login page. Right? Then here now I'm running this. Now you will see already the data is there in a shape princess, right? So directly it will open after the animation. Now it should go to the main page, right? That we will see here now. If it went to that, means our logic is perfectly working. Yes, please. Now I'm logging. Login success. Now I'm closing this. Right, I'm closing all the apps. How many apps? Now I'm opening this. See, once I'm opening this now, so it should open. Something went wrong. Data is already there. So S1 I'm checking is null blank. Then it should go to, okay, here we are writing that is a null or blank, it should go to the login page. Otherwise it should go to the main my dashboard, right? Here we only written wrong. Right, now it will work here. Now we can see. Means it is data is not there. If you have to log in, if data is there, with the data already the session will be created and it goes to the next page. See here now. See, automatically this page has come. Right. From this page now here, I want to log out. Means I want to clear this data. So how to clear this data? So to clear the data here now in my dashboard page, from here now, I want to add the that button. So that is the one button that is with name of logout. I will add here. So here now, linear layout, linear layout. So the orientation, vertical. Also will add the data binding here. Layout. Done. Here I'll add one button. Match parent graph content. So ID, logout, text, logout, margin 20. Done. So for this, now here we will add the list. So to add that here, first we have to enable the data binding. So that is a var binding. So var binding column. So that is the activity my dashboard binding equal to null. Right. Then here now we'll add that binding equal to data binding util dot. So here now this right. We have to import this. Then here after this now I'll write that is binding dot logout dot set on click listener. Here I'll write the same like already the shape is there, right? So we have already declared the shape is above from there. So here we require the editor. So editor dot, just I'm adding the editor. So editor dot clear dot commit. Done. So it will clear the data from the shape. Right. Now we will see that. See here. Now I'm clicking on this. Done. So now I'm closing the application. Now I'm opening. In case if the application now will goes to the login page means the shared princess data is cleared. See, now the data is clean, right? So in this way, we will maintain the session management. So the session management will be simple format. It will be maintaining like this, right? So the next step here, now we are going to discuss on a next step, that is, so last time we did that data recycler view using local data. Right now, that recycler view, we want to maintain the data which is coming from the server. So how to handle that data which is coming from the server? So that hardly it will take 40 minutes. So that we will discuss on tomorrow.